Tired of juggling multiple apps for simple PDF tasks? Meet SwifDoo PDF, the AI-powered all-in-one solution that lets you view, create, edit, convert, sign, compress, and protect your PDFs effortlessly. Whether you're a student, a business pro, or a casual user, SwifDoo gives you lightning-fast tools and a clean, easy-to-use interface. SwifDoo, your complete PDF powerhouse. Welcome to iOS 2.0 for latest AI updates. Let's go to Google and search for SwifDoo PDF, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of SwifDoo PDF, an all-in-one PDF software and the ultimate solution for your PDF documents. In just a few clicks, we can work with PDF files, create, edit, convert, and manage them easily. You can also download SwifDoo PDF for free. It is trusted by various multinational companies. SwifDoo PDF includes all the essential PDF tools. For example, you can chat with PDF files, edit PDF files, convert PDF files, view PDF files, compress PDF files, merge PDF files, eSign PDF files. So what exactly is SwifDoo PDF? It's a complete PDF editor. You can edit PDF files, convert PDFs while preserving original formatting, translate PDFs or selected text, use OCR to recognize text within scanned PDFs, streamline PDF processing efficiently with AI. SwifDoo PDF is an award-winning and recognized tool that works across Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and the web, making it easy to work with PDF files on the go. No matter where you are, it keeps you productive. You can download SwifDoo PDF on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, or access it directly through the web. It's lightweight, powerful, quick, secure, and reliable. Trusted by users in over 160 countries and highly recommended by editors and professionals. Now go to the top of the page and click on Download. Once SwifDoo PDF is successfully downloaded, this is what you'll see. Some of the most popular tools in SwifDoo PDF are Edit PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to Image, Merge PDF, Split PDF, Compress PDF, Batch Processing. Let's start with editing a PDF. Click on Edit PDF. From here, select your PDF file and click Open. Once uploaded, you can easily edit, insert, or replace text. Now I want to edit the PDF file. For that, I'll click on Text. From here, I'll type AI Ustad 2.0. You can also change the font size, font style, and bold the text as needed. To insert new text, click on Insert Text, then click anywhere in the PDF where you want to add text. I'll type Best AI Tool, and it instantly appears on the screen. You can increase or decrease the font size and change the font color easily. Now select any text and click on AI. From here, you can summarize the selected text, translate it, rewrite it, explain it, proofread it. This is one of the best features in SwifDoo PDF. You can extract useful information from your PDF easily. To translate text, simply select the text and click on Quick Translation. Within seconds, the text is translated into multiple languages. Wow, this is the beauty of SwifDoo PDF. With this feature, you can translate entire PDFs into different languages based on your needs. You can also highlight text. Just select the text and click Highlight. It will instantly highlight it. Want to underline text? Select the text and click Underline. Your text will be underlined in seconds. To edit any text, simply click anywhere on the screen and start typing whatever you want. You can also convert scanned PDFs into editable and searchable documents. Use SwifDoo PDF to highlight text, use the typewriter tool, convert PDFs to Word or image, and much more. With SwifDoo PDF, you can make your life easier. Try out this amazing tool yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to iOS 2.0 for the latest updates about AI tools and trends.